Morrison didn't have a good day today from the beginning, and so we thought of bringing Fidel and the rest to have midfield work compact, and also defensively we should be able to work. They did their best. But again, for me, nothing matters most than winning. In order for us to get back on track, we did it. You can say anything you want to say. We did this, we did that. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes you need to do that to get your confidence back, and I think we did it in a very good way. We don't know how serious it is, but of course, our doctors will look at him, and by tomorrow we'll know exactly what is wrong with him. It's all about his game. He's one of the guys who are very, very instrumental, defensive and attacking. When we want to attack, he's the one who comes, provide the necessary passes to Austin or whoever in the midfield, and then defensively he has to do that. Today, it wasn't